Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, February 7th, 2025, we're taking a look at the LTCUSD market and doing a full analysis of Litecoin's price action. Recent news regarding the potential approval of a Litecoin ETF has sent ripples through the cryptocurrency world, potentially boosting investor confidence in the long term. The SEC's recent acknowledgement of several ETF applications has increased speculation about increased regulatory clarity for cryptocurrencies. However, short-term price movements can be influenced by several factors, and we will investigate those factors. Let's start by examining the daily chart for a broad overview of the LTCUSD price trends. Looking at the daily chart, we can observe a notable upward trend over the past month, with several bullish candles indicating a positive momentum. However, we can see periods of consolidation and minor corrections, highlighting the volatile nature of the market. The recent price surge seems to be related to the positive news about potential Litecoin ETF approval. Let's now narrow our focus to the past week and see the hourly chart for more detailed price information. The hourly chart offers a more granular view of Litecoin's price movements, showing fluctuations due to short-term market volatility. Here, we can see the formation of multiple bullish candles indicating strong buyer support, and we can also identify a notable increase in volume. The sharp price increase correlates with the news around the ETF applications. Nevertheless, we can see periods of consolidation and slight dips within the overall trend. Let's now turn our attention to the 15-minute chart to explore shorter-term patterns. This 15-minute chart reveals a high frequency of price swings reflecting short-term market activities. Notice the high volume periods during upward price movements indicating a significant number of buyers entering the market. Despite a noticeable upward trend, we can observe periods of price consolidation. The 15-minute chart can be useful for short-term trading strategies, but comes with the need for careful risk management. Now, let's go back to the daily chart and look at the key levels. Based on our analysis across all three timeframes, several key price levels emerge. Support levels around $100 and $90 are visible on the daily and hourly charts. Resistance levels around $110 and $120 also appear, suggesting price ceilings. The likelihood of breaking these key levels depends greatly on the success of the Litecoin ETF application and global macroeconomic conditions. If the ETF gets approved, it would significantly boost the likelihood of the price surpassing $120. If the market sentiment turns sour, we might observe a drop towards support levels. In summary, the LTCUSD market shows a bullish outlook on the daily and hourly charts, with significant price movement influenced by the news of Litecoin ETF applications. While short-term volatility exists, the overall upward trend is apparent on all three timeframes. Key support levels of $100 and $90 and resistance levels of $110 and $120 are identified. The probability of a price increase beyond $120 is significantly high, provided the ETF application is approved and the overall market sentiment remains positive. Conversely, failure of the ETF application and negative global macroeconomic conditions could push the price down to around $90. Watch for price action near the support and resistance levels mentioned above, and keep an eye on the news of the ETF approval, as this will be pivotal for price movement. The approaching Litecoin halving event could also affect the price, with a potential price increase due to reduced coin supply. Always remember that cryptocurrency markets remain inherently volatile, and this analysis should be used for educational purposes only.